Good morning, this is Toby Channen reporting live in Salem, Massachusetts. Today, our weather forecast is snow, snow, snow. We've had this unusual storm that was not predicted once again. So, the most important issue today, though, is that people in New England, hardy New Englanders, have been suffering some health issues, some unusual growths. But before we get into that, let me have the cameraman pan. Okay. As you can see, we've had a lot of accumulation. We're not sure what the growths are coming from, but we suspect it has something to do with this weather. There's also other issues that have been happening. People have been plunging into this storm left and right, fighting the elements, but also passing out from distress. People, stay calm. We will survive.